Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're going to solve the following given Canadian Olympiad math. We have x squared plus x divided by x plus 1 squared equals 3. For my solution, we're going to make substitutions, right? So let's call x, which is here. So we're going to let x equals a, right? And from the other side, the one in the bracket here, which is x divided by x plus 1, let's call it b, right? So now we're going to derive different equations in terms of a and b. But for my first equation here, we have x squared will be a squared, right? Then plus this squared will be b squared. Then remember from the right, this is equal to 3, right? Okay, now let's find the product of a and b. So if you find the product of a and b, we'll see that a times b will be x times x divided by x plus 1, which is x squared divided by x plus 1. But there's something very interesting about this. Now let's find the difference between a and b, which is a minus b. So this will also give us the value of the product in terms of x, right? So that will be x squared divided by x plus 1. So you can check it out. A minus b will be x minus x divided by x plus 1. So when you check it, that will give us x squared divided by x plus 1. Now from this equation right over here, we're going to make use of this formula. A squared plus b squared, we can write it as a minus b squared plus 2 times a times b. When you expand this and add this, you're going to get this. Then from the right, that equals 3. Now let's make substitution. A minus b in terms of x equals x squared divided by x plus 1. So this will be x squared divided by x plus 1, then squared plus 2 into bracket a times b, which is x squared divided by x plus 1. Then this is equal to 3. Now carefully looking at this, you will see that we just made a very nice transformation. So we transform this equation from x squared plus this squared equals 3 to something looking very nice, which we can easily solve now, right? So we're going to solve this making a substitution again. So we're going to call x squared divided by x plus 1 equals m. So let's use m. So this squared will be m squared, right? Plus here, this will be 2m. Then minus 3 equals 0. So here m squared 2m, let's write it as 3m minus m. Then minus 3, this equals 0. So let's factorize. So here m into bracket m plus 3. Then minus 1 into bracket m plus 3, which is equal to 0. So from here, this implies that m minus 1 multiplied by m plus 3 equals 0. Of which when this equals 0 and when this equals 0, so we get m is equal to 1 and we have m is equal to negative 3. Okay, now we're interested in finding the real solution, or should we also involve the complex solution? Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Now recall that x squared divided by x plus 1 equals m, right? So here m equals 1. So let's solve when m equals 1. So we're going to have x squared divided by x plus 1 equals 1, right? So from here, cross multiply, we get x squared equals x plus 1. So the term from the right hand side, let's move it to the left hand side. So this will imply that we have x squared here minus x minus 1 equals 0. So from here, let's make use of the general quadratic formula. And here we find out that x equals negative b, which is 1, then plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4a. We're just going to have square root of 5, then divided by 2. Oh, golden ratio, right? Amazing. Now when m equals negative 3, so here we get x squared divided by x plus 1 equals negative 3, and when we cross multiply, we get x squared equals negative 3x minus 3, right? So move the whole term to the left, so we get x squared plus 3x plus 3 equals 0, and we're very familiar with this general quadratic formula, which from here, this will give us negative 3 plus or minus square root of negative 3, which is I root of 3 divided by 2. And here we have the complex solution. So here we have the real solutions, right? So 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 and 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. These are the only two raised solutions, while here we have the complex solutions. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment and share. Bye bye.